What if you could leave financial stress behind for good? Welcome to SAVE-TEY Ventures. Hello there, my royalty. How would you feel if every step you took had a purpose? Encouraging, right? At SAVE-TEY Ventures, we're here to inspire your entrepreneurial journey toward financial independence. Imagine a life free from financial stress. A life where you can pursue your passions without worrying about ends meeting. We believe everyone deserves this freedom. We call it good success. Financial independence isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind, security, and the freedom to pursue legitimate and profitable aspirations. We're committed to providing disruptive financial solutions, education, and support to help you achieve this. Join us on this journey to financial independence. Visit our website to learn how we can help you achieve your financial goals and stay motivated through challenges. Thanks for discovering why we live and breathe. Is this your first time hearing about SAVE-TEY Ventures? Let's embark on this journey together.